Expanding your vocabulary. Mastering phrasal verbs with make. Hello, dear learners. In this session, we'll be expanding our English language knowledge by diving into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on those with the word make. This common verb forms numerous collocations, which can significantly boost your language fluency when used correctly. Let's dive in and make your English skills shine. Phrasal verbs are a combination of a verb and one or more particles, usually a preposition or adverb. These combinations create a new meaning which often differs from the original verb. Today, we will focus on phrasal verbs containing the word make. Keep in mind that the context often determines the meaning of these phrases. Let's explore some common make phrasal verbs and what they mean. 1. Make out. This has several meanings, including discerning or understanding something, writing a check or document, or indulging in a passionate kiss. 2. Make up. This can mean to reconcile after a disagreement, invent a story, or apply cosmetics. 3. Make off with. This generally refers to stealing or taking something quickly. 4. Make for. This means to go towards a particular place. 5. Make into. This means to change or convert something into something else. Now, let's put these phrasal verbs into sentences to better understand their usage. 1. Make out. I can hardly make out the words in this old letter. 2. Make up. They had a fight, but they're trying to make up now. 3. Make off with. The thief made off with my purse. 4. Make for. After class, the students made for the cafeteria. 5. Make into. She made the old jeans into a trendy bag. To reinforce what you've learned, try creating your own sentences using these make phrasal verbs. Remember, practice is key to becoming comfortable with new phrases. Phrasal verbs are a fun and essential part of mastering English. We hope that these make phrasal verbs help you to express yourself more effectively. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be making headway in your English journey. Until next time, keep learning and growing.